Success comes not only from operations running smoothly, but what happens when they don't. Knowing there's a global team of expert engineers ready to help at a moment's notice doesn't just give you peace of mind, it helps ensure you'll meet all your plant goals and KPIs. When an issue does arise, getting your production restarted is critical. Our remote support ensures this happens quicker than ever. For issues that cannot be solved with the team in-house, remote support brings our world-class experts closer to you than ever before. New technology and industry-leading innovations include 24/7 multi-channel support and real-time text-to-text translation via WhatsApp and email in over 100 languages. And our new Visual Assistant tool introduces real-time assisted reality annotation alongside live video speech-to-text, allowing our experts to walk you through troubleshooting, quickly identify both the issue and the solution, and get your production restarted as soon as possible. Greater peace of mind, alongside saving time and money, is vital. Remote support by Tetra Pak delivers all three. Visit tetrapak.com to learn more.